The Chinese-made Mazda EZ-6 Sedan scores 5 stars in the C-NCAP crash test. The Chinese-made Mazda EZ-6, jointly developed by the Japanese automaker and Changan, scored 5 stars in the C-NCAP crash and safety assessment test. This model scored the third highest score among cars tested according to the 2024 standard. The C-NCAP crash and safety assessment test was established in 2006 by the China Automotive Technology and Research Center, CATARC. Currently, the C-NCAP standards are close to the Euro NCAP assessment program. In C-NCAP tests, the safety of the vehicle is evaluated on a scale from 0% to 100%. And then these percentages are converted into stars to make the result more understandable. The fully electric version of the Mazda EZ-6 has participated in the C-NCAP crash test. This model can also be purchased as an EREV, range extender. CATARC tested the 2024 Mazda EZ-6 Zhiya Edition with a CATL-made 68.8 kWh battery, which is suitable for CLTC's 600 km range. The guide price for this model in the domestic market is 168,900 yuan, $23,550. Mazda EZ-6 received the highest score of 97.1% in the occupant protection segment. This is the highest number among all cars evaluated by the 2024 safety standard, including the overall leader Xiaomi SU7. Moreover, EZ-6's result is 7.27% higher than the average performance of cars tested by C-NCAP. Mazda EZ-6 received 79.37% in the vulnerable road users category. It is 1.5% higher than the average. In fact, this is the EZ-6's weakest result in the C-NCAP crash test. In this segment, EZ-6 was 11.05% behind Xiaomi SU7. The Japanese BEV scored 88.02% in the active safety segment, 4.9% above average. The Mazda EZ-6's overall performance in the C-NCAP crash test is 90.8%. As a result, this Chinese-made sedan became the third safest car evaluated according to the 2024 standard after the Xiaomi SU7 and Zeekr Mix. In November 2024, Mazda showcased side crash tests that highlighted the EZ-6's safety. Now, its performance has been proven by a certified research center.